got a door to replace today. So the old one is obviously rotten on both the jamb and inside the door. And I can stick my finger into it. That's wild. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright my friends, that is pretty much it. The door opens, closes appropriately, it locks. It's a very smooth application. So I'm gonna do some caulking around the perimeter and go ahead and put some more nails and screws in it, or some screws. I actually don't have any nails today. And I don't think I'm painting this door. I think they are going to be the ones that are painting it. So I'm gonna go ahead and caulk it up and call it a day. But at least at this project. See you guys next time.